In this section, we'll be taking a look at some short notes on the development of the eye. On day 22, the optic grooves begin to form in the forebrain. By week 4, optic vesicles emerge from the diencephalon. Around day 33, the lens vesicle separates from the surface ectoderm. Then, during weeks 5 to 7, the optic cup, retina, lens, and cornea begin to form. Now, let's talk about embryological origins. The neuroectoderm gives rise to the retina, optic nerve, and iris. The surface ectoderm forms the lens and the corneal epithelium. Meanwhile, the mesoderm and neural crest contribute to the sclera, choroid, corneal stroma, and the ciliary body. Let's go over some key developmental steps. Outpouchings from the diencephalon form the optic vesicles, and these are connected to the forebrain via the optic stalks. The optic vesicles then induce the surface ectoderm to thicken, forming lens placodes. These placodes invaginate to become lens vesicles, which then detach from the surface. The optic vesicles invaginate to form double-walled optic cups. The inner layer of this cup becomes the neural retina, while the outer layer forms the retinal pigment epithelium. A ventral groove, known as the choroidal fissure, allows the hyaloid artery to enter. Eventually, this fissure closes, enclosing the vessels inside. Alright, let's talk about the differentiation of ocular structures. The retina develops with its inner layer becoming the neural retina, while the outer layer forms the pigmented epithelium. For the lens, the posterior cells actually elongate to form what we call the primary lens fibers. Now, the cornea is a bit more complex. Its epithelium comes from surface ectoderm, the stroma is derived from mesoderm, and the endothelium originates from neural crest cells. As for the sclera and choroid, both of these structures develop from mesenchyme and neural crest cells. Moving on to regulatory genes, PAX6 is considered the master gene for eye development. A mutation in this gene can cause a condition known as aniridia, where the iris is absent. Another important gene is HH, which is crucial for midline patterning. Disruptions in SDH can actually lead to cyclopia, where the eyes fail to separate properly. Let's quickly summarize the origins of various eye structures. The retina comes from neuroectoderm of the optic cup. The lens and the corneal epithelium both arise from surface ectoderm. Corneal stroma has its origin in mesoderm, while the corneal endothelium, sclera, and choroid all come from neural crest cells. Lastly, the optic nerve is derived from the neuroectoderm of the optic stalk. And that's your complete review of eye development, only on Optocrack. If this helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Optocrack for more eye-opening content.